Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul. I kind of went crazy in this new store near me, and I wanted to come on real quick to share what I found. These are personal items that I needed and some crafty items all mixed in. So let's get started. Okay, so I found these glow in the dark tool that I never picked up, but I never found them in my other Dollar Tree. So this was really a good find for me because I didn't find it before. Okay, so I found some duct tape that I want to try, some masking tape technique that I saw Lolly do, and some other person. I can't remember who she followed, but that seemed interesting to me and I wanted to try it out. Okay, this is a personal item. I'm always clean. I need something to clean my glasses, and I I needed this cloth, so I found that. Um, I found another one of these because mine is pure white and I love the pink. So I got one of those. I found this cute container full of dominoes. It's black and it has 55 pieces in it, so I only got one. But it comes in this really cute container. So I got that. I got some stickers that my Dollar Tree didn't, or I was late to the party or something, but I never picked these up in my Dollar Tree, so I was so happy to find something. Then I found it's like a Jenga with these blocks, and they had an abundance of it, so I picked up a pack of these. There's 72 blocks in this container, so I thought I don't know what I would use it for, but I found a pack just because. I found a little screwdriver set for my daughter. She's in college and she needed something like this, and I didn't want to buy a brand new set. But this one was at Dollar Tree, so I figured why not. So I got that for her. That was that. And then I found two of these strong tear resistant tape. So I wanted to try these out, and I got two of those. I found some of these little air dry clay. Oh my gosh, look how thick it is. It is 24 hours drying time. Paintable when dry, moldable, and easy to use. But it's air dry clay, guys. Oh my gosh. And it's $1.25. A bigger pack than this is like $8-9. So I got two packs of these. And oh my gosh, this is going to be so much fun to create some tiles with. Okay, and then I found these owls, and I never found these at my Dollar Tree, but I was so happy to find them. Maybe I'll use these on my Halloween cards this year. And last but not least, I got the foiled cardstock. I got 6 of them, and I just want to see what they look like because I never saw them before. And sorry for the crinkling. I don't know if it's all silver or if I think they're all different colors. So here's a gray. Oh my gosh. So you get 2 gray, and then you get 2, can you see me? You get 2 gold, and then you get 2, ooh, you only get 1 red? Okay, you only get 1 red, you get another silver, you get a blue, and a green. That is awesome. And it's cardstock. It is thick cardstock. So I think that is an awesome deal. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of these foiled cardstock in my stash. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and hopefully I'll be on creating some new projects. I think I really need to get my Halloween cards done this week. So keep watching for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.